Guys, this is the video of the compressor that had issue. You know, if you have been following me in my previous video, I showed a video of the compressor that had issue, that had the high amperage, that which we later made a request for replacement. Okay, so after the replacement of the compressor, I still made a video where we finally have a new compressor that we need to replace with the previous one that got burnt. So if you are watching this video, I'm placing it on this video, the how we install the new compressor, Copeland compressor, 10 horsepower, or some people rather prefer 10 ton, okay, for jacking system. So I put it on this video, and the whole process and everything, how we did it. Yeah, watch the video. I'm gonna still show you guys after the replacement how the compressor is running on a good condition, no issue, no problem. Thank you.